spine is responsible for bearing your weight, keeping you upright, and playing an important role in the central nervous system. Today's video discusses 7 everyday things you do that hurts your spine. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Housed within the vertebrae of the spine is your spinal cord, which communicates messages between the body and brain. Your spine could be causing you suffering if its curvature is out of alignment, there's damage to its disc, or it's become unstable. Number 1. Carrying heavy bags. Backpacks, overstuffed handbags, or shopping bags carried on one side of the body throughout the weight distributions of your body. Your spine tilts towards one side, and using these positions on repeat can cause neck pain and spine damage. Number 2. Wearing high heels. Yes, your outfit is on point with those heels, but your posture is not. Walking or standing in heels cause the back and hips to flex, making you lean forward and knocking the spine out of alignment. Number 3. Craning for your device. Smartphones. Craning your neck downward to game, text, or watch videos on your electronic device for extended period of time can put undue pressure on your spine. A study published in Surgical Technology Journal indicates you could be putting as much as 60 pounds of weight on your neck each time you tilt your head to use a device. Number 4. Sleeping on your tummy. Sorry, belly sleepers. But your back and neck pain could be a direct result of your sleep position. Sleeping on your stomach puts a lot of pressure on the spine, arch, and neck, and can lead to pain in the neck, back, or joints. Number 5. Watching TV for too long. It's not the TV that's a culprit, it's your position. If you lie on the couch with your head on armrest, especially for 30 minutes or longer, you are throwing your spine out of alignment. Doing so day after day can have long-term effect. Number 6. Lifting incorrectly. Most of us have been taught to what when we lift something off the ground using our legs rather than the waist or back. Too much strain from improper lifting can cause disc damage. When lifting an object above the shoulders, don't twist the body as that can strain the spine. Also use a step stool or small ladder to avoid injury. For heavier objects, have someone assist you. Number 7. Riding a bike. Cycling is great exercise, but riding a bike that's not a good fit for you can aggravate your spinal column or cause pain, neck or back pain. What's key is to have the seat positioned above the handlebar so that you are not overextending the body when you ride. Warming up your muscles before performing chores or other physical activity can reduce strain on the back. Take care of your posture, whether you have back pain that comes and goes or is chronic. You may want to visit a chiropractor or your family doctor for advice. Were you aware that some of these activities are bad for your spine? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.